Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. A strong earthquake struck off the coast of Fukushima, Japan. This was just weeks before the 10 years anniversary of deadly 2011 tsunami. The quake produced powerful shaking along the parts of Japan's eastern coast and was felt strongly in Tokyo. The tsunami warning was not issued. There are reports of 50 people injured and almost 1 million homes are without power. Saturday's quake hit at 11:08 p.m. local time at a depth of 60 kilometers in the Pacific near the Japan's eastern coast. Aftershocks have continued to hit the region since then, and officials have cautioned the local residents to be vigilant. The evacuations were under the way and including the region's nuclear plant. A handful of people were reported to have taken shelter at evacuation centers. About 850,000 households in Kanto and Tohoku regions, which include Greater Tokyo, lost power after the quake. Power is now gradually being restored. Officials asked residents in the affected areas to stay indoors and be prepared for the more aftershocks. The quake struck near the epicenter of 2011 earthquake, which triggered a tsunami and killed over 18,000 people. That tsunami had caused a nuclear accident at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, the world's most severe nuclear accident since the disaster in 1986. Japan's weather agency said that Saturday's earthquake was believed to be an aftershock of the massive 2011 quake. Aftershocks after a large earthquake can continue over the period of many years. Surveys has done at Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant, and currently the nuclear plant is not showing any abnormality, although the casualties and structural damage are being assessed and parts of the high-speed bullet train network had been suspended because of power outages. The broken glasses were seen at the shops and items spilled off the shelves at the supermarket. People there said that the initial jolt felt more powerful than one they experienced in the Greater East Japan earthquake of 2011. Aerial footage broadcast by NHK showed a landslide on the highway in Fukushima region, damaging the road. Japan tops the list of earthquake-prone areas. The country has long history of witnessing disastrous earthquakes since it is situated on the Pacific Ring of Fire. This ring of fire is an arc of intense seismic activity that stretches through the Southeast Asia and across the Pacific Basin. The country is regularly hit by quakes and has strict constructions for regulations. This is to ensure that buildings can withstand strong tremors. In September 2018, a powerful 6.6 magnitude quake rocked Japan, triggering landslides, collapsing houses, and killing more than 40. Japan accounts for nearly 20% of the quakes of magnitude 6 or higher reported from around the world. Japanese Prime Minister is monitoring the situation, and the residents of coastal areas have been advised to move to the higher ground as the precautionary measure against the aftershocks. A day after tremors jolted Tajikistan and the parts of northern India, a powerful earthquake of magnitude 7.1 on the Richter scale struck the northern coast of Japan on Saturday night. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.